Hello everyone. In this video, we will see about where to check the previous year allotment list for PG counseling. First, we have to enter the website mcc.nic.in, which is the medical counseling committee who conducts the PG, UG and super specialty counselings. In that website, choose the PG medical counseling category. We have the details for MD, MS and MDS counseling details. Go to the archive section, which is given at the bottom of the page. Inside that, we have the details of both the present counseling details and also the past details, especially from the year 2013. We could get an idea of what rank chose which seat from which college. Now let us check with an example from 2019. In that we could see the rounds, especially round 1, 2 and the mop-up, where the details of the seats chosen will be given inside. Let us check out by choosing a single PDF. Now we could see that ranks have been given on the left side along with the quota by which they are allotted and the college name and the course name in this PDF. Now how to check out which rank scored which mark? For that we have a separate process. Now you could save this PDF of the different years and different rounds. In the round 2 PDF, you could see the reallotment categories also, how the changes have been made from the previous rounds. Now, where to check the corresponding marks scored by the ranks. To know the marks scored by respective ranks, we need to enter the website which conducted the exam. That is the National Board of Examination. They usually publish the results and have an archive of the previous 2 years results. In that website of NAT Board, we could see the NEET PG and NEET MDS given there. Choose the NEET MDS category. We could see the results of 2020, 2019 and 2017. Now the PDF of the results is also opening, where we could see the corresponding registration number, rank and the score. You could check out the rank and for example the rank 40 has scored 687 marks in 2019, and similarly you could check for various ranks and marks. Compare it with the previous PDF to know what or to get an idea of what marks we should score for a particular rank and for a particular college or a seat. So we saw the main two websites, natboard.edu.in and the mcc.nic.in, which conducts the exam and which conducts the counseling. Hope this video helps your purpose.